My name's Paul Vinton. I'm pre-construction director for a company called Paragon Management. We're a specialist fit-out contractor based in London and South East. About 70 people. We've been growing the business over the last 3 to 4 years. And we got to a point about 18 months ago where we needed to control the information that was coming in and out of the business. I'd worked with project-based before through KMS and was looking at the market for a tool again to perform that. So we took an opportunity to go and look at what was available. There's 3 or 4 products out there. But what I enjoyed about project-based before and now project dynamics is the fact that it's project-based for me. So it's really from the life of a project and centred around the project. So I suppose I was brought up on the P-base platform. So for me it was a natural progression. I inherited a system before where I was working in a previous company and learned some of the lessons of how to set it up. So I was very keen to make sure that in the process of bringing the product on board that we captured those lessons and kept it as simple as possible, which I think we probably have, albeit we're in the very early stages of the process.
How was the implementation process with you?
Pretty straightforward. As I said, I've worked with it before, so I had a clear idea of what I wanted it to be. I suppose there was new technology and new software, and obviously the fact that it's a Microsoft-based product now helped, but at the same time there was some learning process for us. But pretty straightforward, it was easy. We had Stuart working on it and he understood us pretty quickly. To be frank, I took A4 pieces of paper, drew out what I wanted, drew what I wanted it to look like. He picked up on that and he recreated it on screen for me. It was as simple as that.
How have you found the uptake with your team members, especially those where they don't particularly like the use of IT, or they're more traditional in their approach business processes?
My BDMs, my sales team, which is only 2 or 3 of us, great. For them it's quick, easy, they understand it. They want anything as quick as they can to record and capture info. Estimators, pre-construction, admin, harder, and that's purely because they're used to the processes and procedures they've got that link into other parts of the business. So to actually change that, there's an element of duplication that takes place in the early days. So you don't always see the benefits in the short term, you start to see it in the longer term. And for me, it was very much a project of capturing data for certainly 6 months, but you start to see the rewards at 12 months, because at 12 months you can genuinely start to be able to produce the stats and the images and the graphs and the graphics. So we're just hitting 12 months now. So for us, we're going through a process now refining those sort of research-based stroke information tools. We're just starting to go through that, and we're starting to see that come through.
Fantastic. Are you able to actually identify any cost savings in terms of the time saved in data input yet?
It's difficult at the moment. I've actually focused on one individual with our business, which is our MD. He's a complete technophobe, well he was when I joined the business. He was very much a man with a pad and pen. He's embraced it now with various pads and tools, but I didn't give him it too quickly, and I've actually wants it, but I've still not given it to him because I wanted the 12 months to go through. My next task is to give him history presented the right way on the dashboard, and I wanted the dashboard to be right before I gave it to him, because if I didn't give it to him 100% perfect, he would poo-poo it instantly. He's got a 13-second memory, so if I'd given it to him wrong, I'd have defeated the object and spent the next 2 or 3 years reconvincing him.